Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious creamy pasta with shrimp that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to show you the pasta that I'm using. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 garlic cloves, half an onion, 1 tomato, paprika, black pepper, garlic pepper, salt to taste, spinach, shrimp, and of course, heavy whipping cream. These are the only ingredients we need. Well, here I have the water boiling. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and now I am ready to add my pasta. I am going to cook it al dente. Don't overcook your pasta. Remember, we are going to add it into the creaminess of the liquid at the end. But now let's cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes until the pasta is al dente. Look at this. I can't wait to make this amazing creamy pasta. I am sure you guys are going to love it. Well, here I'm going to start with the shrimp. I'm going to add the shrimp here. It's already deveined. I took the skin off. I took the little vein out. I have one here to show you how, I cut it in the middle. I took the little stem off and I'm taking the skin off. That's exactly how you want your shrimp. And now I am ready to add 1 teaspoon of each ingredient: paprika, smoked paprika, garlic powder, salt to taste, black pepper. We are going to coat it very good. You want to make sure that the shrimp is coated completely. And then we are going to put it aside and let it rest. And now I have my tomato here. I'm going to slice and then I'm going to cube it. I have my half an onion, and do not skip the half an onion because the onion is going to release all those amazing flavors. Of course, the garlic. I have 3 garlic cloves that I'm going to wake up by smashing them, and then I am going to dice it very small. And of course, all the ingredients are here. Look at this. Ingredients that you might already have in your pantry. Look at this. 2 tablespoons of butter, tomato, onion, garlic, heavy whipping cream, spinach, and of course, the shrimp. Let's go to the stove. Let's start making this amazing, cooking this amazing shrimp. I'm going to start by adding the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Remember that you have control of how much salt and oils you are using in these amazing recipes. Well, I'm adding the butter first because I'm going to cook the shrimp. I am going to cook it in high heat. I want to get it nice and golden brown from the sides. So that means I'm going to put all my shrimp in here. I'm going to cook it until it's nice and crispy and that it doesn't take too long. Remember that the shrimp really cooks really fast. So I'm going to put it in here, leave it for just a couple minutes, and then I'm going to flip them. Look at this. I am ready to flip, and you could see them that they're getting nice and cooked. I'm going to flip them, and then I'm just going to cook them for just 1 more minute. This really doesn't take too long to make this amazing, crispy shrimp pasta. Look at this. Oh my gosh, the aroma of all those spices, just amazing. Look how crispy they are. I am ready to remove. I try to make it first so that the butter gets coated with all those amazing flavors of the shrimp and spices. And now I'm adding the tomato, the onion, the garlic, and I'm going to cook it for about 4 minutes, making sure that everything is getting incorporated and releasing all those amazing flavors into the butter, into the pan. Look at this. Once everything is been cooking for about 4 minutes, I am ready to add the heavy whipping cream. Of course, you decide how much heavy whipping cream you want to add. I am adding just enough to cover my pasta and my shrimp. Well, here, after a couple minutes, it's getting nice and thick. The tomato and the onion have released all those amazing flavors. And now I'm ready to add the spinach. I'm going to add the spinach. Right when I add the spinach, I'm going to add my pasta. Look at this. I'm going to add the pasta directly on top. I don't want to overcook the spinach. I'm going to add it. I'm going to coat all the pasta, making sure that all the pasta is covered with all those delicious drippings, the cream, everything. Once you add your pasta, don't overcook it. Add it, incorporate it really good. Once it starts bubbling, you are ready to turn it off. And it really doesn't take too long. Look at this. The pasta is really absorbing all those amazing flavors. And now I am ready to turn off the stove and start preparing my amazing plate. The presentation plate. Look at this. Oh my God. If you got to this part of the video and you like and you love what you see, leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria continues growing. Look at this, my friends. I am sure you're going to love this amazing creamy shrimp pasta. Of course, don't forget to add some Parmesan cheese right on the top. And now I am ready to taste, and I am ready to transport myself to Italy. Mamma mia, when I make pasta, I really love enjoying it. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing creamy pasta with shrimp. You know something? Every time I make pasta, I transport myself to Italy. Look at this. I want to get a little bit of everything. Look at this. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. I added some Parmesan cheese and I'm ready to taste. Excuse me. Mmm. 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 Mamma mia, this is delicious. If you like and love this amazing pasta, like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.